coaching thought for the day. I do a lot of data coaching with teachers, and by that I mean I help them analyze student data. We look at test scores from year to year, all things data. We can dive in and we can talk about it. There's one conversation that I really love having with teachers, and it is around what we have in the state of Tennessee where I am, our TVOS charts. So TVOS is it's the state tool that helps us with projections on guessing where students are going to be. It helps set, in addition to projecting where they're going to be, it also measures their growth and making sure that students are growing, not just achieving, but also growing. That's a whole big conversation for another day. But what I want to share with you is this. This is an example of a student TVOS graph. So all identification has been removed, but we can see how students performed. I just put this little key down here at the bottom. It doesn't include 2016, but 2017 is this student in 4th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade, didn't test in 7th grade because COVID hit, so 8th grade, 9th grade, and then this is a 10th grader. So this yellow dot is projecting where they're going to go. There's so many conversations to have just around this graph in particular, but I'll tell you my favorite thing is whenever we target students and talk to them about their TVOS graphs, you can see here that this particular graph, there was a spike. And so I encourage teachers whenever we see a spike like this, or sometimes it's upside down and we'll see a dip, okay? Like here, boom, and then keeps going up after that. I will have teachers talk to students, have conversations around this data, around this graph, and ask them, hey, this was 4th grade for you, or I'm sorry, this was 5th grade for you in this case. I'm curious, talk to me about what happened in 5th grade that you did so well in 5th grade. And students say 100% of the time, oh, I loved my teacher that year. Not, oh, I had a great teacher that year. Not, I was really into reading or whatever. They say every time, I loved my teacher that year. I really liked my teacher that year. So the importance that relationships have with students, it just can't be stated enough. I hope I said that right. The relationship that teachers have with students cannot be overstated enough. Like, it's essential to learning. Kids have to like you to learn from you. Now, the other conversation that we'll have is sometimes if the graph is upside down. So let's say that there's a low point down here compared to everything else. Pretty much every single time, the student will share they had a loss in their family. They had a parent leave. They had a divorce, something like that. This is a huge reason why I always say data tells a story.